pandemic, I had heard a lot about shortages of different personal protective equipment for all of these medical facilities, and I wanted to help. A few weeks ago, OpenWorks, which is a place in Baltimore, put out a call for people to start 3D printing face shields. I created over 200 parts for face shields so far that I've given to OpenWorks. When I put out a social media post seeing if we could get more local support, I got overwhelming amount of people who were interested and donated. So I've started producing a separate design where I'm just assembling the full face shield at my house. Face shields that I'm producing, the 3D printed part looks like this. So the 3D printed part takes about 45 minutes to an hour to print, and then that's the full face shield where it just goes on the head. Produced over 100 of those. I've gotten up to 7 3D printers running, and so I'm running some for OpenWorks and then some I'm using to print out parts for face shields I'm producing.